Seen the ingredients in personal care products? They're scary. Anytime you see the word paraben, put it back, especially propylparaben. These are preservatives that prevent mold from growing in here, but they're hormone disruptors, endocrine disruptors. They mimic estrogen in your body. And for the ladies out there, they find more of that in your body because it's in your lotions, potions, and makeup. Pick up almost any product here. Fragrance. Shaving cream with fragrance and body wash with parfum or fragrance. That's the key word. If you see that, put it back because that's the cosmetics version of natural flavors. But there can be up to 3,000 synthetic fragrances or perfumes in there. They're proprietary. They ain't got to tell you anything. And they're linked to reproductive issues, and they find these fragrances in breast milk. It's scary stuff. You don't want it. How do you think they get this blue color in the body wash? Well, it's with blue 1 and red 33, artificial coloring. But those are almost always derived from tar or petroleum, loaded with toxins, and many of these colorants are banned in other countries, but not here. pH balanced for a woman, but strong enough for a man. But also with talc. You don't want talc because talc and asbestos go hand in hand, which is why baby powder isn't made with talc anymore, because you can't get rid of the asbestos. You got